What is up people, welcome back. So I have started a small position in Fubotv, ticker symbol FUBO. The stock is down nearly 60% from its all-time high, and more impressively, Fubo stock is trading at the price to sell ratio of only 5. That is a very rare for a company whose revenue is set to grow over 100% this year, with such a small market cap of only $3.6 billion. And as the live stream service will continue to disrupt the traditional cable TV service, I think there is a huge upside potential in this company. Fubo could go multiple times higher than the current valuation. So the two recent huge news for Fubotv, it will be available in both LG's Smart TV and VGO's Smart TV in the US. And because the app will be available in more screen, it will definitely gain more subscribers for live sports streaming. Okay, we just done the Summer Olympics, but the NFL is starting soon, we have the European soccer is starting soon, NBA is starting soon, and then we have Winter Olympic in early 2022, and then World Cup 2022 in Qatar. So massive look forward for Fubotv. The company will be announcing its Q2 earnings on Wednesday, and as always we could see some big surprise from Fubo. Okay, so today in this video we're gonna look into the company's business model, Fubo's growth potential, definitely some risk of investing in this company, and finally there will be a price target with a little bit of earnings preview. But before going on, let me say this, I'm not a financial advisor, so anything I say in this video should not be taken as financial advice. You have to do your own research before you invest. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, the red subscribe button is right here, and a big thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget, you can get a free share worth up to £100 if you are from UK or any other European countries. Trading to enter link is down in the description. Go to the link, register, and then deposit at least £1. You get one free share, I get one free share, which may be worth up to £100. And as always, investing early is the way to become rich. So Fubotv is a live sports streaming service which also has more than hundreds of TV channels for news and entertainment. Their motto is come for the sports and stay for the entertainment. Since I don't live in the United States, I don't have personal experience of Fubo services, so all of my opinions are based on the internet research. Business model: the company makes money through subscription fees and digital advertising, but mostly the revenue comes from subscription fees. So during my research, I found 5 of the best streaming service for sports, and that includes Fubotv, Sling, YouTube TV, Hulu Live, and AT&T. And amongst them, Fubotv, YouTube TV, and Hulu Live have pretty much similar subscription fees of about $65 per month. So according to this article, Fubotv has been given a title of Best Overall for Sports. YouTube TV tops the ranking with 4.5 star out of 5, Hulu Live on second with 4.2 out of 5, Fubotv on third with 4 out of 5, Sling on fourth with 3.9 out of 5, and AT&T TV at the last with 3.5 star out of 5 star. So Fubotv is a small player in the industry right now. There are other bigger players in the live stream market such as YouTube TV and Hulu Live. The live stream market is expected to grow at the compound annual growth rate of 27% from 2021 to 2027. That's 6 years from now, and definitely Fubo will benefit from that. In my opinion, the competition is not against the other services like YouTube and Hulu. The competition is against the traditional cable TV services, which is still a very dominant, accounting for 64% of all time spent on TV. And on the other hand, live stream accounts for only 26% of all time spent on TV. So you can definitely realize how big is the space for disruption. So Fubotv acquired 2 companies, Balto Sports and Victory, for their another part of the business, which is live sports betting. And since Fubo already provides the streaming service for sports, there will be some advantage for Fubo in the betting industry, because not many betting companies have streaming service in their betting app. And from my personal experience in live sports betting, not anymore though, having not been able to watch the match when you're betting is very disappointing, especially when you're losing the bet. So I think that advantage will gain more subscribers to Fubotv. There will always be some risk when investing in stocks. No matter which stocks you pick, there will always be some risk. Okay, so now let's have a look what are the risks of investing in Fubo stock that you must know. So firstly, it's seasonality. Fubotv generates higher levels of revenue and subscriber addition in Q3 and Q4 of the year. This is primarily because of the sports leagues specifically the NFL, which has a shorter partial year season. This means that the company suffers users and revenue declines during Q1 and Q2. And because there are other bigger players in the industry such as YouTube TV, Hulu Live and Sling TV, the resources and brand recognition also present some competitive challenge for Fubo TV. You should also know that because the industry is crowded and advertisers may choose other services over Fubo TV, because Fubo TV's subscriber is very less in compared to other companies. And also Fubo TV is a new player in the betting industry and could have a rough time dealing with competition, platform requirements, licenses, unexpected costs, and laws and regulations from different jurisdictions. So the company will release its second quarter financial results after the US market closes on Tuesday. The revenue estimate from Wall Street is $121.2 million and the EPS estimate of negative 49 cents per share according to Seeking Alpha. Since the company's IPO in October, Fubo has beaten revenue expectations by an average of $10.5 million or 12.3% on top line. If Fubo TV beat the expectation of $121.2 million in revenue, then that will be 175% year-over-year growth on revenue. Based on the earning history of this company, Fubo TV could report the revenue about $130 million. Another very interesting thing about Fubo, the company has beaten and raised its subscriber and revenue guidance in every quarter since going public last year, okay? So we expect another surprise in this quarter as well. The company added 43,000 new subscribers in the first quarter of this year. Now the company has 590,000 subscribers. Fubo now expects to have 840,000 subscribers by the end of this year, up from its previous guidance of 765,000. The company also raised the revenue guidance for the whole year to be around $520 to $530 million compared to $460 to $470 million it previously projected in Q4. The company has been successful in consistently increasing the average revenue per user. You can see $43 in 2019 and after 2 years it's $69 today. So according to Seeking Alpha, the online esports wagering market will hit $155 billion by 2024, and we know that live stream market will grow at the compound annual growth rate of 27% from 2021 to 2027. Obviously, Fubo is a very small player in both markets, but here is a massive advantage for Fubo being a small player. Fubo doesn't require, bigger market share in both industry. A small slice of pie will be enough for Fubo to go multiple times higher. So the bottom line, Fubo stock could surprise us one more time by raising the guidance on both revenue and subscriber. If the company beats revenue estimate and gains some subscribers in the second quarter, then that could be a huge day for Fubo stock. We have seen Fubo stock skyrocketed after a massive surprise in the first quarter. So we expect same in the second quarter. So finally, let's see the price target for Fubo stock from tipranks.com. You can see the average price target for Fubo stock is 30 at 86, the highest being $60 per share and lowest being $25 per share. 7 ratings, 6 buy, 1 hold. So if the stock dips after bad earnings, personally I don't think that's gonna happen, but if that happens, I will probably add Fubo stock in the future because the stock already trades at a very low price to sale ratio of only 5, okay? And with that all being said, it is now time to close the video. Thank you for watching if you are still there, okay? If you really like this video, consider subscribing to the channel. Invest safely as always and see you in the next video.